I want to see all those hands up in the air. Come
Come
on.
on, everybody.
I want to see those hands.
Let me see those hands up. Come on.
Everybody now. Ole, 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 ole. Give me a rum, rum, rum. Give me a rum, rum, rum. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Alright, this next song is for all the football fans in the house. Anybody like football? Does everybody like football? Alright, football fans, sing along. Marina, take it away.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're up all night, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all. Believe it, when you forget, if you forget. Sound it up in a sound labor, cause this is Africa. Sound it up in a, hey, hey, waka, waka, hey, hey. Sound it up in a sound labor, this time for Africa. Sound it up.
have been
you.
great.
Good night.
Thank you for dancing with us.
Everybody, once again, put your hands together for Purple Rain. Purple Rain, we need to take a nice picture with you guys. Come on, in front of the audience, so you guys can leave your instruments for a bit and just come to the front of the stage. We'll take a nice picture. Guys, don't forget, there's more action coming your way tonight. We've got DJ Catherine, who's traveled all the way from Russia. Playing next, of course. And to wind up tonight, the one, the only, the man, the myth, the legend, DJ Iwan! So don't go anywhere, lots of action tonight, lots of entertainment, great music headed, courtesy these two fine artists, DJ Captain all the way from Russia and DJ Iwan! Here in ARAMBOL, Mr. Jeet Arulkar, everyone. Moga nami deka bhai munda bhai hasso mutla. Ek don udra sangta jangam. Mage. Badro, masi yaar. Like I said, for you tourists, all these tourists who are here, these guys are. They serve us in some of the most honorable way, one of the most honorable professions as well. Like I said, they risk their lives to go out in the sea, to get fish and food for us back home. So when they come up on stage, we all need to put their hands together for all our Raponkars. With over 60 years, some of them over 60 years, doing this for over 60 years. Now their kids, their sons. Once again, guys, come on, please put your hands together for these very good-looking men. Come on, everybody. So we're going to begin with the felicitation. Some of them, like I said, over 60 years in the business. We begin with Mr. Felix D'Souza. I request Mr. Felix D'Souza to kindly come up front. They're of course being felicitated. Here in ARAMBOL. Mangta Soglani Montane Talia Maria. Felix D'Souza Bawa. Patra Onzo. Next, Mr. Felix Fernandez. Hello. Mr. Capi Galun. Mr. Felix Fernandez, everybody. I request next Mr. Daniel Rodriguez Cobb to kindly come up front. Next month, Mr. Purushottam Gokrankar, Asumukayoje. Next, requesting Mr. Vitova Khorje. Requesting next Mr. Eknath Pandekar. Sir, sir ko matching shirt and matching cap dekho मालूम है Requesting Mr. Daigo Fernandez to kindly step up front. Come on, people, we can do better with a round of applause. And Manta, finally, Mr. Inas Rodriguez. Manta, एक बड़ा photograph किया, Soglan Barobar Raja, please. Let's take a nice picture, all of us together with Mr. G. Tarunkar and our Raponkars and our esteemed and honorable guests as well, our dignitaries. And smile the Amane Soglan, come on! Woo! Thank you, Devara Guru. We also have Mr. Ajit Parsekar, who's the Panch of Parse Village Panchayat, celebrating his birthday today. I request the focus to go up front there in the VIP lounge if you can. We'll be cutting. Ajit Morozkar, sorry. Mr. Ajit Morozkar, celebrating his birthday today. Zalmata Tisa Kapur Vidka Padrao. Anta thoi VIP section of focus manu adala temi birthday cake cut kutna leda. Kini asal lights band kar stage. You guys want more music? Two phenomenal acts headed your way tonight. One's traveled all the way from Russia to be your DJ Catherine, performing for you exclusively at the Raponkaranchem Seafood Festival. And the man who will bring the night to an end is the man himself. Remember, this is only the second.
Viva Goa! Viva Rambolgar! Alright, let's go a little bit of sound.
May light of fire, may soul of fire, feeling hot, hot, hot. Party people all around, feeling hot, hot, hot. What to do on a night like this? Music sweet, I can't resist. We need a party song, a burn of the we go rum, 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 rum. We go rum, 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 rum. That's everybody now. Ole, 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 ole. Yeah, we rum, 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 rum. Yeah, we rum, 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 rum. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Alright, this next song. It's for all the football fans in the house. Anybody like football?